325 is next. It is a senior contemporary trio. Entry number 325. This code is B. Welcome Mary, Julia, and Sophia, Three Little Birds.
Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. This is my message to you. This is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Gonna be alright. This is my message. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. 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 This is my message. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. This is my message to you.
Mary, Julia, and Sophia, Three Little Birds.